Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Home XP 4205. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's very compact, multi-task. In the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this gear. This printer is very compact. It's using ink cartridges 604 or 604 extra large. If you check my video, you will see how we install the ink and complete the initialization. This printer is compatible with Apple AirPrint window, and also you can connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel using your mobile device. This printer is with auto two-sided print. You can print it auto two-sided and also with rear paper tray, mobile printing, and LCD screen. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have the cable at Vinyltech store, online store. Check out the cables. We also have other techs we have reviewed on the store. So what we're going to do is this printer right now, just give you overview, then we load the paper tray and also complete the alignment head. So just to start from the back, I do get questions about paper jam. If you have any paper jam or debris, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. Okay, so there is a spring here. You just need to press it to push it together and it will go in. Then you remove the cover. Once you are done, gently push it back, put it back. Now this is the rear paper tray. You can load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, 4x6. The maximum you can load here is A4 paper. So I have some A4 paper here we want to load. Okay, so we're just gonna go in. Okay, so this is A4 paper we have here now. Once you load the paper, adjust it with this. Just make sure the plastic holder, okay, is holding the paper together and close down. Okay, you can see this what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to turn this print around. Before we do that, this is the power cable is here. The USB cable, if you are wondering where it goes, the USB cable goes here. But like I said earlier, they don't include the cable, okay, with the packaging. Now I'm going to lift this printer up. The ink cartridges holder the ink is here by the side. If you want to install the ink or replace it, you need to select it, then it will come in the middle for you to change it. So now the ink is inside, okay, well stored. Check out my video how we install the ink. I'm just gonna close it. This is the LCD screen. From this screen you can switch this printer on and off from here. This is the home page. This is if you want to have any questions, okay, you can see question. And this is the keyboard for you to select. Also, if you want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, you need to connect it to using some of the key functions. Now this is where the paper will rest. You can push this inside, so you just need to bring it out so that when you print your document, it will rest here. Okay, so what we want to do is actually, we have loaded the paper. What we want to do now is we need to move on to print quality adjustment. Okay, to select to adjust. Now it's giving us, okay, it gave us options. Align the printer to get the best print quality. I will encourage you to do this. Okay, sometimes people don't like to do it, or sometimes they kind of confused, but you need to follow the pattern. So I encourage you to do this so that you will get the best print quality. You can adjust later if you like, but if you adjust later, the print quality you print in, will, the ink will probably printing in segments, it will not be smooth. So what we want to do is adjust. Now it's recommended, click adjust. Okay, perform a print head nozzle check to check print quality. You can select later. We want to do this now, print. Okay, it's telling us, the next telling us is load A4 size paper in the rear paper tray feeder to nozzle check pattern, which we have done. Select OK, and now it's printing out. So it's printing. Here we go. You can see the nozzle check pattern. Check the printed pattern and select the closer result. Okay, so okay, you can see the closer result is the right one. The left one is broken line. You can see there's no broken line here. So we select the right one, click OK. Now adjust align printer position to fit misaligned and banding. Okay, you can do this later or now. Adjust, recommended, click OK. The same thing, load A4 paper and the rear feeder to align pattern, click print. So now it's printing. Okay, here we go. So you can see these are the pattern printed. Now what we need to do is choose the square with the fewest strikes. So if you look at it, okay, so choose a pattern with fewest strike. You can see number 5. So the next you need to do is use up and down arrow to select. Use up and down arrow to select, or to plus or minus. So depending on what you can see, so select, use plus sign to change it. Okay, so we want to select the, choose the square with the fewest strike. Okay, I will select number 5. Okay, click OK. It will proceed to number 2. Okay, so choose the square with fewest strikes. Number 7. So you look at it and see the one that is full and the one with fewest strikes. So use plus sign to select. Once you select the number, okay, you can see we have this number 2 now. Okay, so you look at, okay, look on the images and select the number. Okay, so we selected number 7. Click OK. It will proceed to number 3. So look at number 3 and check the one with fewest strikes. Okay, so I will select number 1. So use the plus sign to select number 1. Click OK. Progress to number 4. the same procedure. Number 4, I will select number 2 for it. So use the plus sign to select 2. Click OK. It will proceed to number 5. The same thing. Okay, number 5, I will select number 1 for it. Click OK. Proceed to number 6. Number 6, I will select number 7 for it. So proceed to number 7. 7. Click OK. Okay, so now proceed to number 5. Click OK. Number 6. Select number 2 for it. Click OK. Now number 7 is okay. Number 7, I'm going to select number 1 image. Click OK. Okay. Number 7, number 1. Click OK. Okay. Now it's asking us load A4 paper in the real paper pattern and print alignment pattern. Click OK. It's printing again. Different alignment pattern. Here we go. Now in this one, you need to select the one that is okay. Select the one that are not separated or overlap. Choose rectangle that are not separated or overlap. Okay, you can see this one's 4. You can see number 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5, 6 and 7. You need to select in between 6 and 7 because you can see they are not separated or overlapped. So I will select number 6. Okay, so we select number 6 or 7. 6. Click OK. Print alignment complete. You can adjust again from maintenance. Click dismiss OK. So here we go. So once you've done that, it will bring out for you to the main menu for this printer will show up. You can see copy, scan, and various copy. So once you're done, this is scan, okay, and this is copy. So, but for you to use this, it's not touch screen, so you need to use the side arrow to select the function. So some printer you can touch screen, it will pick up this function, but in this case you need to select what you want to do using the side arrows or up and down arrows if you like. Okay, you can see now it's gone to the ink. If you want to check how the ink is doing, then use up and down arrow to select the ink. If you want to go to the Wi-Fi network, use the side arrow to select Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is how, so the function you can use here, you can select up and down arrow and select OK. So any function you select, if you want to go to scan, use the, now because this is on top, okay, so we're going to use the side arrow to the ink. Once you reach the ink, use the down arrow to come down to scan. If you want to go to copy, so just need to select, look at on the image where the red line showing. Once you look on the image, then you know where the, basically where the information the function you selected. So if you want to go to copy now, move, okay, so now copy is highlighting. Okay, so this is how to load paper tray and complete alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed. Please like and share, subscribe. It helps the channel. I appreciate you. Thank you and stay blessed.